Ugh, these cookies are flat as pancakes. Why won't they grow?
Chippy loved to bake, but sometimes baking just wouldn't cooperate.
Jesus, my cookies are a disaster. They're so small and sad.
Sometimes, Chippy, the smallest things can have the biggest impact. Look at this speck, Chippy. Do you know what it is?
A crumb? A tiny bit of dirt that got stuck to your pouch?
This is leaven. It's so small you might not even notice it. A long time ago, a woman took just a tiny bit of this leaven and mixed it into a huge amount of flour.
Wait, what? Just that tiny bit? That won't do anything. That's like a super secret ingredient that doesn't even exist.
Could something so incredibly small truly make a difference in such a big bowl?
Oh, but it does, Chippy. That tiny leaven made the whole big batch of dough grow and puff up, ready to be baked into delicious bread.
No way. Like my cookies asterisk should be doing? Okay, but why though? How can something so small be so mighty?
The kingdom of heaven is a bit like that leaven, Chippy. It starts small, often unseen, but it works its way through everything.
The kingdom of heaven? Is that like a place with golden streets and a castle made of candy?
It's not just a place, Chippy. It's about God's love growing in people's hearts and making a difference in the world one tiny act at a time.
So like, if I'm super nice to someone, that's like kingdom of heaven-y?
Exactly. A kind word, a helping hand, sharing your toys. These seem small, like that tiny speck of leaven.
But how can I turn small acts make a whole big world different? That sounds like a lot of work for a little chili pepper. I mean, what can I do? I'm just one little chili pepper. If I share my crayons, that doesn't make the whole world kinder. Does it?
Chippy felt a big question mark hover over his small, earnest heart.
Every bit of kindness, Chippy, is like that leaven. It starts in one heart, then it spreads to another and another.
So I should just try, even if it feels super tiny and maybe nobody notices?
Chippy had an idea, a small seed of kindness he wanted to plant.
Hey, Pip, need a hand? I did all those little things, but will they really spread out like leaven? Or will they just sort of fizzle out and nothing really changes? Whoa, it's like the leaven is spreading. So even if I'm just a little chili pepper, my kindness can make the world a warmer, kinder place, just like the leaven makes the whole dough rise.
Chippy understood now, but a new thought popped into his head.
If my small acts can do that, what else can I do? What if everyone did this?